Okay, I just put this up in my grandma's bedroom. This Menards Minerva I bought for her on Christmas. It's brass and got the oak blades. I have to replace the box at some point because it's pretty bad. It needs a new box. But in return, I got the old fan that used to be in here, which was like a Walmart GE vent fan that's been in this house as long as I've been alive anyway. But pretty nice fan here. It works really well. Here's high. I'm not going to leave it on high very long. It doesn't wobble, but I don't trust the box. But it moves a lot of air. It's got 4 LED bulbs in there. Medium. You can kind of hear the box. It doesn't have a wobble really. I mean, there's a little bit of one. But because there's a little bit of a wobble, the box wobbles a little bit too. Which is why I don't want to use it much. A very quiet fan though. And low. Which is what I've been using it on. Got a decent low speed. There ain't gonna be any way you'll see anything. Oh, yeah, you can. You can see it without the light. Barely. But light does go and work. But it's not a bad fan. It's a little small for the room, but I wanted to clear that wall there, so I picked this one out. And it kind of matches everything else in here, so with the wood and whatnot. But anyway, there is the Minerva I put up in my grandma's bedroom. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.